What is going on, guys? This is Mohit Charles from Boost Picks. I'm an internet marketer who wants to share with you tips and tricks to get full income on the internet. In this very first video, I'm going to show you exactly the main 6 ways to make money online. All other different types you may heard of are just a subset of these 6 main ways. You may be overwhelmed with the different methods and strategies that gurus are talking about every corner on the internet. You may wish to hear a concise category that makes you well organized and see the big picture of making money online. You're in the right place. I'll also be showing you how these are interrelated with each other that most people don't even talk about. If you stay until the end of this small valuable video, I'll give you bonus information that can make you even more money online. So if you're excited, make sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on the notification bell to be the first one who takes advantage of the next video. And let's jump into the video. When it comes to making money online, there are a lot of methods, but to be honest, they are just 6 ways and their overlaps. I'm talking about online business, not gambling or getting your first dime and filling surveys on reward sites. Let's get started. Method number 1 is content creation. Content creation means producing texts, articles, ebooks, images, videos, audio recordings, infographics, podcasts, webinars, or any combination of formats which offer information or entertainment while meeting specific objectives to attract web traffic and potential clients. Simply, a content creator produces entertaining or educational material that caters to the interests and challenges of a target audience. Sorry for those crazy words, let's make things more super simple. You're watching a video right now, it's an example of content creation. You may read a blog post several times on the internet, it's an example of content creation. Or you may take an online course in Udimi or any other platform. It's an example of content creation. Extra. So, it's not too late to make money online on content creation. Take a paper and a pen today, write down your skills and knowledge you have, figure out a content that you can publish, and boom, take advantage of the online business world. Even if you can't create a content, you can leverage other people's work. Ask me how. You can hire a freelancer to do the job, or you can find quality done for you PLR content, private label contents, that you can resell as your own. There is no excuse for making money online in 2021. Let's go to the next one. Method number 2, freelancing. Essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than for a company. While freelancers do take on contract work for companies and organizations, they are ultimately self-employed. Freelancers are responsible for all sorts of things that traditional employees are not, such as setting their work hours, keeping track of time spent on different projects, billing clients, and paying their own employment and business taxes. Freelancers are not considered employees by the companies they work for, but rather contractors. If you're interested in having a bit more control and freedom in your professional life, freelancing is an attractive option. You really have control over your workload, the clients you work with, and your income is a big benefit of freelancing. When you freelance, you're in the driver's seat. You determine what jobs to take on, which clients you want to work for, and your pay rate. Depending on your level of expertise, it could be possible to work part-time hours, but make full-time pay. Nearly every type of service needed by a business can be provided by a freelancer. Some of the most common freelance opportunities include accounting or bookkeeping, graphic design, marketing, project management, social media manager, teaching or tutoring, virtual assistant, web design and development, writing or editing of all forms of written content, and much more. It's not only for the big skills, you can even provide very basic services and still make money as a freelancer. Even if you don't have any skills at all, you can learn a basic skill from the internet itself and develop a gig on Fiverr, which is one of the biggest platforms in the freelancing industry. Don't worry, I will put all the links in the description below. So if you like to start freelancing, think a little bit, take a time, develop your self-awareness, and pick one or a bunch of your skills and provide them on the internet. I will give you tricks and tactics about freelancing in the next videos to make things super simple. Let us proceed. Method number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product to consumers that are already searching for, and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another. In the affiliate marketing world, we have three participants: seller or product creator, the affiliate or advertiser, and the consumer. In our case, you're the affiliate. Affiliates don't care about shipping and stuff like that. That job is for the product seller. But there is also a bunch of digital products to promote, which doesn't need any shipping at all. As an affiliate, you just promote products and give the affiliate link to the consumer. As simple as that. Technically, there are two ways you can get the affiliate link or find a product to promote on the internet: to join affiliate networks or to join in-house affiliate programs. Affiliate networks are a marketplace or a platform where vendors and affiliates meet. You can join different types of affiliate networks to find a product to promote. They are totally free to join. Most of them accept affiliates from all the countries, except ClickBank, which is one of the popular affiliate networks in the US. But don't worry, the giant Amazon, that everybody knows, has an affiliate program called Amazon Associate. You can join it if you like to promote especially physical products. But honestly, they pay a small commission when compared to other affiliate networks. If you wanted to promote digital products, which are the best option for newbies and get paid high commissions, then Amazon Associates might not be your best option. There are many other affiliate networks that pay high commissions with a bunch of digital products in different niches that also accept worldwide affiliates. Let me mention part of them: Commission Junction, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and much more. Don't worry to miss out, I will put all the links in the description below. Just keep watching. There are also many other separate companies that have their own affiliate programs instead of putting their products and services in affiliate networks. These are called in-house affiliate programs. Mostly they are web hosting providers, email marketing softwares, landing page builders, searching engine optimization tools, VPN softwares, and much more platforms. If you either join affiliate networks or in-house affiliate programs, or even both, you're going to make a fortune if you do it the correct way. That is awesome. I hope you are excited. In addition to that, there are also other different models of affiliate marketing. The one we talked about is just one of the different models of affiliate marketing that is called cost per sale, CPS, or pay per sale, PPS. There are also cost per action, CPA, pay per lead, PPL, pay per click, PPC, pay per install, PPI, and other models, which means you get paid when someone visits your affiliate link and just take a type of an action respectively. It's not mandatory to make a sale. Generally speaking, every model has its own networks and platforms to deal with, but the best model in my opinion is cost per sale, CPS, the one I covered before. Because you will get paid a commission on the product itself. It's a revenue sharing method, but the other models you will only get paid just a couple of bucks as a reward. It's very simple to join an affiliate program, whether it's an affiliate network or an in-house affiliate program, but to make the job done, you need traffic. Traffic is just an audience or people. So there are two types of traffic: free traffic and paid traffic. Honestly, it's quite difficult to get free traffic very soon, but it's possible. If you make valuable content and take your time, your audience will increase gradually. I don't want to make you information overload. I'll make a separate playlist for affiliate marketing, but today I'm going to share with you my #1 recommended paid traffic for new affiliate marketers. Deal with the solo ads. The biggest platform of the solo ad marketplace is called Udimi. Don't worry to miss out, I'll put all the links in the description below. But if you want to be a professional affiliate marketer, you need a sales funnel, or basically you just need a landing page builder, email marketing software to follow up prospects, and traffic sources. And I will put all the links in the description below to make things easier for those who want to see how stuff works, instead of surfing on the internet without guiding. Method number 4. Online stores. An online store is a website through which customers place orders. It may represent a small local store, a major retailer, an e-commerce store, or an individual who sells projects through a third-party site, such as eBay. The online store can operate under a number of business models, including business to consumer, business to business, or consumer to consumer. To operate an online store, you'll need a product catalog, a shopping cart and other items. Let's assume you need an e-commerce store. All you have to do is find your perfect e-commerce website builder, choose the best plan for you, get a domain name for your store, pick your e-commerce template, customize your e-commerce template, add your products, set up payment methods, sort out your shipping settings, preview, test, and publish your online store. You can start a brand new online store, or you can simply transform your current business into an online store. Online stores are one of the most profitable online businesses. Method number 5. Software as a service. SaaS is a software distribution model in which a cloud provider hosts applications and makes them available to end users over the internet. In this model, an independent software vendor may contract a third-party cloud provider to host the application. Or, with larger companies, such as Microsoft, the cloud provider might also be the software vendor. In 2021, you don't even need to be a developer to launch a SaaS business on the internet. You can simply pay a one-time amount of bucks to buy a PHP script from the internet and host with your own domain name, and it's yours. Users simply pay a subscription fee to gain access to the software, and you are going to watch the money rolling into your pocket. That is insane. This model of online business is a little bit advanced. I'll explain it more in another video. Method number 6. The last but not the least. Trading and investing. Investing and trading are two very different methods of attempting to profit in the financial markets. Both investors and traders seek profits through market participation. In general, investors seek larger returns over an extended period through buying and holding. Traders, by contrast, take advantage of both rising and falling markets to enter and exit positions over a shorter time frame, taking smaller, more frequent profits. The goal of investing is to gradually build wealth over an extended period of time through the buying and holding of a portfolio of stocks, baskets of stocks, mutual funds, bonds, cryptocurrency, and other investment instruments. Trading involves more frequent transactions, such as the buying and selling of stocks, commodities, currency pairs or forex, or other instruments. The goal is to generate returns that outperform buy and hold investing. You can take advantage if you know the skill. You don't need traffic, but honestly, trading and investing is not for everyone. Approximately 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. I hope you enjoyed and get the big picture of making money online. Before you leave, let's make recap. Making money online, especially creating online business, consists of 6 categories: content creation, freelancing, affiliate marketing, online stores, SaaS, and trading and investing. And overlaps. Forget about reward sites giving you pennies and online gambling. You have the rest legit ways of making money online. I will deep dive each one of those in later videos and also walk you through the trending strategies of making money online. So make sure to subscribe, give a thumb, and drop your comment in the comment section. Also check the links in the description below to see my resources. See you in the next video.